Hey, yo, get your Buckeyes, get your chili on top of the spaghetti noodles, because Ohio, you know what time it is. Come on, come get this work. Before we get into the list, I just want to shout out the whole state of Ohio. This has been the toughest one of these lists that I've had to make. But Ohio, y'all are straight killing it. Not just in education, but in manufacturing as a whole. Ohio invests so much into their workforce, into their training, into their education, and getting people into the manufacturing industry, that this list ain't easy at all. I know some people are going to be mad because I left some schools out. I know some people are going to be upset because I might have even, overlooked some great institutions, but that's okay. Like I always say, put it in the comments and they might make it in the next round. Let's get into it. Top trade schools in Ohio. From Cleveland to Cincinnati to Columbus, the Buckeye State is a major manufacturing hub. Key industries include heavy machinery, transportation equipment, plastics, chemicals, and metal. Major companies like GE Aviation, Honda, and Whirlpool have huge factories and bases here. But the problem is they can't do anything without a nice, robust pipeline of new talent. I'm talking technicians, programmers, engineers, and machinists like you. That's where this list of top trade schools in Ohio comes in. See, if you're looking to get connected to any one of those high-paying jobs and these high-paying industries, and you're in the state of Ohio or the surrounding areas, you're going to want to tune in. These are the schools that are shaping Ohio's future. Coming in at number 4, Stark State College. Stark State's recently renovated integrated manufacturing lab gives manufacturing students the experience on leading-edge technology, like all of their brand new state-of-the-art high CNC machines and Mastercam programming. This state-of-the-art facility was designed specifically with feedback from their industry advisory board, ensuring students train on the same specific machines and software that local employers are using right now. Students also have access to robotic welding equipment and simulators. The college partners with companies like Timken Steel and Canton Drop Forge to offer apprenticeships and immersive co-ops, giving students real-world experience. Not to mention, their machining technology program has a 93% job placement rate. Gonna get that bag. Coming in at number 3, top trade school in Ohio, Lorain Community College. Lorain's automation and robotics technology program is located in the Nord Advanced Technology Center, equipped with a fully functioning industrial robotics lab. The 140 students that are in the program currently receive extensive hands-on training, programming, and operating automated systems from leading companies like Fanuc, ABB, and Bosch. $2.5 million in cutting-edge tech was donated by partnerships cultivated through Lorain's industry outreach programs. Students get experience troubleshooting real-world manufacturing issues on equipment that's exactly what they're using in the industry. Lorain also works very closely with the local area high schools, providing dual enrollment so students can get a leg up and a head start on earning college credit in manufacturing classes. The robotics program has a 95% placement rate. Number 2, Sinclair Community College. Sinclair's recently built Advanced Integrated Manufacturing Center aims to mimic real factory conditions with automation cells, CNC machines, and other tech donated by Ohio manufacturers, AK Steel, Grab, and Haas. Students get to apply their skills in scenarios mimicking real production line issues. The college works very closely with its industry advisory board to tailor the curriculum based on skills that local employers need the most right now. Students benefit from apprenticeships and mentoring programs through Sinclair's strong partnerships with major regional employers. Their mechatronics program has a 97% higher rate after graduation. And the number 1 trade school in all of Ohio is Triple C's. Tri-C's, what up? Cuyahoga Community College, or Triple C's, the Tri-C, has an emphasis on hands-on learning. They operate leading manufacturing programs across its metro campuses to serve both students and employers. Tri-C's partnerships facilitate internships, mentoring programs, and factory tours with major Cleveland companies like Lincoln Electric, Swaglock, and Eaton. Students get to directly experience working environments and shadow industry experts. The college also works closely with Siemens on certification programs in automation and mechatronics. They even have non-degree programs. They've got plenty of certification programs, so if an advanced degree isn't for you, you can still get in the industry and get paid. Programs like the Right Skills Now CNC Operators Program or the Siemens Mechatronic System Certification Program can get you in the industry and paid with a great career in under a year. Over 500 students are enrolled in affordable automation and machining programs. And out of that 500, 100% complete internships with partners like Lincoln Electric and Swaglock. There's no way you're not gonna get a job. It's built into the curriculum. As always, if you like the list, let me know. If you didn't like the list, let me know that too. Tell me which colleges I missed so they can be considered for the next round. Our journey does not end here though. Join us next week as we venture into the Keystone State so we can uncover the top trade schools in Pennsylvania. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. MFG, I'm out.